Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Siti Nur Atika Yusuf and in this video, me and my friends will talk about plastic. I am sure all of you already know what is plastic, right? Of course, this is what comes to your mind when we talk about plastic. But scientifically, plastic are a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic materials that use polymers as a main ingredient. There is no denying that plastic are really helpful in our daily activities. For example, the use of plastic container, plastic bag, water bottle and many more. However, did all of you know that natural decomposition of plastic can last from 400 to 1000 years and there are few types of plastic non-degradable as well. Therefore, we need to dispose our plastic waste properly so that it did not cause plastic pollution. So, what is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the earth environment that adversely affect wildlife habitat and human. I am certain that many of us already heard about plastic pollution issues in the news, right? Therefore, it is really important for us to manage our plastic waste properly so that it can prevent plastic pollution.
The biggest cause of damage to wildlife is physical wounds or entrapment. Fish and marine birds becoming entangled in things like plastic bags and plastic drilling rings. This can cause painful wounds, strangulation, or even drowning. Birds, mammals, and reptiles that live in the sea but still need air to breathe can become so entangled that they cannot surface for oxygen and they drown. The other major danger of plastic in our seas is that it's often mistaken for food and eaten by marine life. These unsuspecting creatures consume the plastic, which can cook them, cause internal injuries, or slowly starve them to death. Plastics have also been found to coral reef, which are an essential part of our ocean ecosystems and home to thousands of species. Plastic carry bacteria and they block light and oxygen from getting into the coral. Coral that has come into contact with plastic is 89% more.
People use plastic bags to carry items like food and clothes, which are bought from shops. Plastic bags are commonly used even though we know they can damage the environment. So why are plastic bags bad for the environment? Plastic bags are made from crude oil and other plastics. This is a problem because crude oil emits significant amounts of pollution and it means the product is not biodegradable. The major impact of plastic bags on the environment is that it takes many years for them to decompose. In addition, toxic substances that are released into the soil when plastic bags perish under the sunlight, and if the plastic bags are burned, they release a toxic substance into the air causing the air pollution. Plastic pollution causes harm to humans, animals, and plants through the toxic pollutants. It affects all organisms in the food chain from tiny species and can be present in the fish people eat.
All know the phrase reduce, reuse, and recycle? Maybe some of you might not know that the order of this word can give the greatest impact to reduce the plastic pollution. If you are already aware about that, you can follow this hierarchy of steps and I will show you some tips on how to use all of these steps. The first step is reduce. The most effective way to reduce the plastic pollution is to not create plastic in the first place. So here what you can do to help. You can carry your own bags and container. Instead of asking the cashier for plastic or paper bag, why not you buy a reusable tote bag and bring along for your grocery shopping? Another great way to reduce plastic waste is use the reusable container for food instead of plastic container. Okay, if you are ordering takeaway, ask the restaurant to pack your food into your reusable container. The second step is reuse. If you don't throw away things, plastic waste will not form. You can make a hanging garden of the plastic bottle, or you can convert the milk jug into the shelf organizer, or maybe storage container. Just remove the label, wash them out, and fill it with anything that you want to put like chocolate, peanuts, flour, and many more. Okay, so for the last step is recycle. If something is not usable, can we use it for other purpose? So the process by which waste material are used to make a new product is called recycling. So choose recycling container instead of trash. Recycling plastic takes less energy than making a plastic from the raw material and it involves many steps. So remember, small actions do add up a big change.